Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got some exciting updates to dive into about Hamster Kombat. They've leveled up big time, and I want to show you how you can benefit from their latest changes, including the highly anticipated airdrop launching this month. This is something you don't want to miss, especially with all the upgrades to daily rewards and the new in-game features. Stick with me, and I'll walk you through everything, from daily rewards to the importance of earning hamster coins and how to maximize your rewards. So I bet you're asking, what's new with Hamster Kombat? First things first, if you've opened up your Hamster Kombat app recently, you might have noticed that the daily reward system has changed, and for the better. Here's the breakdown of what you can expect. Day 1. You'll get 100,000 hamster coins just for showing up. Day 2. You're rewarded with 1 key. Day 3. Get 500,000 hamster coins. That's 500,000 coins. Day 4. You'll receive another key. Day 6. A third key gets added to your inventory. Day 7. You unlock Hamster Sky. These daily rewards have become way more rewarding, and with this structure, you can see how committed Hamster Kombat is to giving back to their players. Before you do anything else when logging into Hamster Kombat, make sure to claim your daily rewards. Don't waste any time on this. It's free, and these rewards add up fast. You're literally getting hundreds of thousands of coins and keys just by being active. Now let me show you something else that's really important to take advantage of: the new skins. Head over to the Buy Skin section, and you'll notice a fresh new skin has been added to the lineup. The best part? It's completely free. You can unlock it right away and start using it. Skins not only give your character a fresh look, but they also play into the overall strategy and experience of the game. And if you ask me, some of the skins, if not all of them, will also be NFTs. Let's move on to something a lot of people seem to overlook: the video tasks. I can't stress enough how important these are. By completing these simple video tasks, you'll earn extra rewards. But here's the catch: if you skip them, you're missing out big time. I know some people might think, oh, it's just a video, but these tasks are designed to help you rack up even more coins and progress faster. You can find these tasks in the earning section. Just click on the videos, watch them, and boom, you're rewarded. This is one of the easiest ways to gain extra hamster coins and keys. Don't sleep on this opportunity, or you're going to get left behind. Now, I've been talking about parameters for a while, and I want to make sure you understand just how crucial they are. Your profit per hour is your passive income in Hamster Kombat. That's right, passive income. Who doesn't love making money while they're doing nothing? You'll find this under the airdrop section. By building up your parameters, you're ensuring a steady stream of income, and that's the first criteria for earning more during the airdrop. So work on your parameters, build up that passive income, and make sure you're maximizing every opportunity in the game. And don't go overboard spending all your resources just to reach the next level quickly. As I always say, don't overspend your capital, especially the resources that got you to your current level. It might sound like simple advice, but trust me, this is crucial if you want to keep growing your profits long term. When you've built up a solid amount of hamster coins, it's time to withdraw. Head back to the airdrop section, click on the withdrawal button, and follow the prompts. It's simple and straightforward. Just remember, this is passive income that you've built up, so you want to make sure you're regularly withdrawing to take advantage of your earnings. Now let's talk about the big topic: Hamster Keys. There's been a lot of talk about whether these keys are crucial for the airdrop. Here's the deal: Hamster Keys are not the major criteria for the airdrop. Yes, having keys can increase your allocation, but whether you have keys or not, you're still going to receive your airdrop rewards. So don't stress out if you haven't collected a ton of keys yet. Just focus on building your passive income and completing tasks. Those are what really matter. That being said, if you do get keys, it's still a nice bonus, and they will add to your overall airdrop allocation. Just don't get caught up in the hype around keys. The focus should be on earning and maintaining a solid strategy, not worrying about whether or not you've collected enough keys. I know there's been a lot of chatter online from influencers saying that Hamster Kombat might ban you for generating too many keys or doing certain activities. Let me clear the air. No one is getting banned for using keys or completing tasks in the game. These rumors are just meant to cause panic and draw attention to certain channels. Trust me, I've done my research, and there's no reason to worry. The accounts that people see dropping off or getting banned aren't because of Hamster Kombat. They're accounts that Telegram has banned for other reasons, like violating platform rules. Hamster Kombat isn't out here banning anyone for participating in the game and collecting rewards, so don't let these scare tactics get to you. Stay focused on your strategy, and don't fall for the panic-inducing rumors that are out there. The truth is, Hamster Kombat is built on blockchain technology, and they're working to get everything right. The team has been reducing the number of keys and adjusting the parameters to ensure a fair game for everyone. I know the market is tough, and everyone's looking for ways to make quick money. But don't let that pressure get to you. Hamster Kombat is doing everything they can to reward players fairly and keep the system running smoothly. If this airdrop doesn't pay out exactly the way you expect, don't worry. There will be other opportunities. The world of crypto is full of airdrops and rewards, and it's all about staying patient and focused. So take a deep breath, keep grinding, and make sure you're following the right strategies. Don't let anyone scare you with false information. Focus on the facts, build your passive income, and you'll come out on top. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and stay connected for more updates. I'll keep bringing you all the latest info on Hamster Kombat and other projects that you can take advantage of. Feel free to join our Telegram channel to be the first to know about the hottest new things on the market. And also, I'm doing a $700 giveaway worth of a node. So if you want to be part of it, you better buckle up and get in. And now before I go, here is a huge shout out to all of my Epic channel members. X Muhammad Albada Moyikora, Enoxon001, Marin of iTube, Okemdi Chiamamiz, Behind Wheels, James, Peter Edit, Enger Chukwunonso Kioma, Osundeko Sason, Yahaya Haruna Idris, Addie Queen, Jacob Malo, Akene Okwosa, Sir Faithy, Michaela, Akinwelly Johnson, Godin Walby, Damian Dickman, Nick, Angel Phoenix, Ogechi Destiny, Ekwime Kingsley, Bipolaroid, Alexithemia, Dotunayeni, Tochukwu Lawrence, Chika Egbo, Benedict Emeka, Ifadigbo Chukwebuka Nduka, Obianuju Purity, Lorena Canaracio, Mohammed Labaran, Jazzy B021, Raymond Sunday, Ihemadu Christopher, Dr. Parasites, Cleavithson Wealth, Ruth Ekenem, Rida Musa, Easy Blaze, Nicholas Malor, Sir Wills, Miss Baudine Raji, Kuris M, Jasper Ibrahim, Joycey, Chiadozi Mezirionia, Isa Tahir, Suara Ionel, Petri Paikanen, Shalk, Bello Muhammad, Jalo, Prince Orji Okori, Samsonite Amos, Ikechukwu Jonas Okafor, Omale Ojanugwa, Johnson Jeed. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing. Stay sharp and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.